Hello everyone, I'm Subhojit Panda from OdishaTV.in bringing you today's news from Odisha. First headlines. Fresh twist to Vyasnagar civic body drama as chairperson goes on 3 months leave by handing over the office to the vice chairperson of the 26-member municipality. Body of a newborn baby boy was found dumped inside the lavatory of Puri Hatia Tapaswini Express at Sambalpur station. Investigation into the matter on. Amidst falling revenue, the Odisha government's focus will be on increasing revenue generation in the upcoming 2018 annual state budget. 1993 batch Odisha cadre IPS officer Sushant Kumar Nath to receive the President's Police Medal for distinguished service on Republic Day. And East Coast Railway to take action against erring officials for faulty connection of diesel engine with the bogies of Bhubaneswar Anand Vihar Superfast Weekly Express. Now the details. 4 days after the no confidence motion against Vyasnagar municipality chairperson got rejected in absence of councillors for voting, the civic body drama took a new turn as the chairperson and suspended BJD leader Sabita Raut went on leave for 3 months from Wednesday by handing over the office to the vice chairperson of the 26-member municipality. In a letter to Vice Chairperson Subhash Boda, which was copied to Jajpur Collector and Kore MLA, she mentioned that such a decision was taken for a health reason. As per doctor's advice, I'll remain absent from 25th January 2017 to 23rd April 2017 on health ground. So I handed over all charges of the municipality and my office to you for a temporary period. I'll be back in office on 24th April 2017, the letter read. Expressing hope on the vice chairperson, she said, Vice Chairperson Subhash Boda could handle the office effectively. I hope you would ensure smooth conduct of such functions like Republic Day, Vyas Marathon and Vyas Sarobar Mahotsav falling during these days, Raut added in her letter. Notably, the no trust motion against the beleaguered chairperson was dismissed as no councillor including the BJD members did not turn up for voting on 21st January. In an unfortunate incident, body of a newborn baby boy was found dumped inside the lavatory of Puri Hatia Tapaswini Express at Sambalpur station on Wednesday. Alerted by the station superintendent, GRP officials swung into action and recovered the body. The passengers traced the body and informed the railway staff in service in the moving train. Later, the commercial controller alerted the station authorities about the incident.
Station master खबर पाइलु पुरी हटिया ट्रेन तपस्विनी एक्सप्रेस आसुची बोली आम आलर्ट हो रही रेलवे डॉक्टर को जनईलु से आसी आम पाखे उपस्थित थे ट्रेन लगे पर आम डॉक्टर देखी मृत घोषणा करें शबटी को उद्धार
तपस्विनी S1 कोच लैट्रिन जो ये विंडो अच्छी आउटसाइड रे रही बहुत खराब दुखद घटना इनक्वारी कला पर जना पड़ो.
Amidst falling revenue, the Odisha government's focus will be on increasing revenue generation in the upcoming 2018 annual state budget. At the pre-budget meeting of the Finance Department with former finance ministers, representatives from industries, economists, investors, RBI and NABARD officials, emphasis was laid on the areas through which revenue collection can be increased and to prepare the budget clubbing the plan and non-plan sectors together in line with the union budget format. During the months of November and December of the current financial year, tax collection along with receipts from non-revenue sectors was considerably lower than the target. Keeping in view lower revenue collection, experts at the meeting suggested tax increase in sectors like mining, business, land revenue and professional taxes. Moreover, suggestions were given to collect professional taxes from doctors, chartered accountants and lawyers. On the other hand, the government has decided to merge plan and non-plan expenditures heads for the 2018 state budget in line with the union budget format. According to sources, the 2018 budget size is likely to be around Rs 1 lakh crore. With the state government implementing the recommendations of the 7th Pay Commission, the exchequer will bear an additional burden of Rs 5,000 crore. More emphasis is likely to be given to social sector, rural infrastructure, irrigation, education and health sectors.
राजस्व जते अधिक मिलिबो बजेट आकार से बड़ हम आमे समस्त आशा करूँ देशवासी आशा करती राज्य सरकार तो बड़ आकार बजेट आगत करेंगे କିନ୍ତୁ ରାଜସ୍ୱ ସଂଗ୍ରହର ସ୍ଥିତି ଯାହା ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି ଗତ ବର୍ଷ ଯେତିକି ରାଜସ୍ୱ ଆଦାୟ ହେଇଥିଲା ଓନ୍ ଟ୍ୟାକ୍ସ ଓ ନନ୍ ଟ୍ୟାକ୍ସ ସବୁ ताठू बर किसी कमिची बढ़ी ना
किपरि भाव राजस्व अधिक आदाय हो पार से बहुत गुड़े सजेसन आलोचना होता जमती कि केते गुड़िए क्षेत्र में प्रोफेशनल टैक्स बर्तमान आदाय करा जाउनी एडवोकेट डाक्तर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट प्रोफेशनल टैक्स नहीं तेणु सजेसन थिला सरकार केते दूर ताको ग्रहण करूछन नगर करूछन अलगा कथा
बेसी प्राधान्य देवा कथा कृषि भित्तिक शिल्प उपरे कृषि उपरे कारण सेठी नियुक्तिर सुविधा दरकार ग्रामीण अंचल रे नियुक्त सुविधा थिले शहर उपरे शहर नगर उपरे बेसी प्रेशर पड़िबो नै
केंद्रीय बजेट आगुआ होची निश्चित भाव रे एवं केंद्रीय बजेट प्लेस हला पर निश्चित भाव रे हमरो बजेट टी प्लेस करा जिवो आपण जहा कहउचंती डिमोनेटाइजेशन हो किबा जीएसटी हो निश्चित भाव रे से समस्त दिगो को ध्यान दिया जाय आमे ताको अनुध्यान करबो ताको अनुध्यान करी our state budget को preparation.
A 1993 batch Odisha cadre IPS officer Sushant Kumar Nath has been selected to receive the President's Police Medal for distinguished service on Republic Day on Thursday. Nath is currently officiating as IG modernization at the police headquarters in Cuttack. Besides Nath, another senior Odia police officer and Bhadrak Superintendent of Police SP Dilip Kumar Das would also receive the President's Medal this year, said an official statement issued by the police headquarters. Similarly, 11 police officers of the state from different ranks, including Havildar Mohan Chandra Malik and Constable Rameshwar Naik, both from Kadahandi, are also selected to receive Police Medal for meritorious service on Republic Day. The East Coast Railway will take action against the employees for faulty connection of diesel engine with the bogies of Bhubaneswar Anand Vihar Superfast Weekly Express, which got detached from its departure from Rourkela railway station on Tuesday afternoon. In a release, INPR Department of East Coast Railway said the engine got detached due to faulty connection with the bogies. The release said the elective locomotive of the Bhubaneswar Anand Vihar Superfast Express is replaced with diesel locomotive at Rourkela railway station. But the diesel locomotive was not properly connected to the bogies, as a result of which it got detached. Due to the faulty connection, East Coast Railway has informed the South Eastern Railway SER that it would take action against the erring staff for dereliction of the duty. The incident took place when the diesel locomotive of the superfast train got detached from the bogies near Birajapalli about 10 to 15 minutes after leaving Rourkela railway station on Tuesday afternoon, leaving the passengers in a state of panic. However, the driver came to know about the incident after he found the bogies missing and drove the engine back about 2 kilometers. Following information, senior railway officials rushed to the spot and connected the engine to the bogies. The express train was later taken back to Rourkela, from where it again left for New Delhi after the change of another diesel locomotive. A female elephant was found dead at Gorada village under Bisra forest in Sundargarh district on Wednesday. Locals said a herd of elephants strayed into the village area on Tuesday night in search of food and ruined some standing crops. The female jumbo was eating leaves of mango tree, during which it came in contact with a live wire. The pachyderm died on the spot. The villagers informed the forest officials, following which the range staff reached the spot and seized the body. The energy department officials also rushed to the spot and began investigation that under what circumstances the elephant touched the live wire. Electrocution deaths occurred due to weak power infrastructure in the area. In forest fringe areas, live electric wires remain sagging at many places. When elephants pass through those areas, they come in contact with the wires, locals alleged. 7 forest staff were injured, one of them seriously, when an injured elephant attacked them inside Sukasana forest under Attagod forest range in Cuttack district on Tuesday afternoon. According to reports, the forest staff had found a limping elephant inside Attagod forest range 5 days ago, as an abandoned tire got stuck on its front left foot. In a bid to give treatment to the injured elephant, the forest staff today noticed it inside Sukasana forest. As the forest staff tried to tranquilize the elephant, it suddenly attacked them, in which 7 staff were injured, while forest guard Pramod Behra was seriously injured as the elephant lifted him in its trunk and crushed him under its feet after crashing him on the ground. However, his life was saved as the forest staff managed to drive it away.
आज आम ऑपरेशन टा स्थगित रखुचु कारण आमर ट्रांक्लाइजिंग टीम जन फरेस्टर को से अटैक कला हाथी जदिव आघात प्राप्त हो से बर्तमान फुल आग्रेसन अच्छी से लोक पाखापाखि लोक देखिले कि गन देखिले से चार्ज कर तेणु आज आम प्राय 4-5 जन भाई मैंने आघात हेले तेणु हाथीटा कंडीशन जदिव सीरीयस अच्छी कि यही परिस्थिति से आज जेहतु उत्तेजित हो जाए आम 2-3 दिन छाड़ीदेवा 3-4 दिन पर अटेम्प्ट नवा।
The full dress rehearsal of the Republic Day parade was held at Mahatma Gandhi Marg on Tuesday. The parade, which started from GPO Square, proceeded to Master Canteen Square. The Commissioner Police had made elaborate arrangements for smooth conduct of the parade along the route. As many as 78 troops participated in the parade, which lasted for 3 hours. Troops from Odisha Police, Fire Services, NDRF, Red Cross, NCC and students from colleges and schools took part in the show. Officials said a troop from Telangana will participate in the parade on Thursday.
30 platoon of force deploy किया जाइए in charge of the DCP. सेमतिया ट्रैफिक में भी व्यवस्था किया जाइए, CCTV कैमरा लगाया जाइए.
Braving Naxal threats in the region, hundreds of villagers of Malkangiri district gathered in an anti-Maoist rally in Jagdalpur in the bordering region of Odisha and Chhattisgarh and raised voice against the torture by the Reds. The Janavarjan Samaves, which was attended by inhabitants of at least 15 villages in the region, was organized on Monday, police said. The sloganeering villagers demanded that as some remote areas of the district are still inaccessible by road, Maoists frequent to these villages and torture villagers. They said security must be tightened and anti-Maoist operation beefed up in the area to keep the Reds at bay. Meanwhile, police said it will analyze the situation and take proper step.
लगभग 10,000 लोक से माने एकठा होइकी से माने नक्सल मानकर विरुद्ध रे से माने एकत्रित होई करी नक्सल मानकर जो सेठी उत्पाद चली छि ता विरुद्ध रे से माने आवाज उठैतिले.
Before wrapping up the news headlines once again, fresh twist to Vyasnagar civic body drama as chairperson goes on 3 months leave by handing over the office to the vice chairperson of the 26-member municipality. Body of a newborn baby boy was found dumped inside the lavatory of Puri Hatia Tapaswini Express at Sambalpur station. Investigation into the matter on. Amidst falling revenue, the Odisha government's focus will be on increasing revenue generation in the upcoming 2018 annual state budget. 1993 batch Odisha cadre IPS officer Sushant Kumar Nath to receive the President's Police Medal for distinguished service on Republic Day. And East Coast Railway to take action against erring officials for faulty connection of diesel engine with the bogies of Bhubaneswar Anand Vihar Superfast Weekly Express. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.